All right, some more proportions. Here we go. If you recognize that 10 over 5 is 2, then I should realize, hey, this must be 1. All right. But if I don't, what the heck? A little bit. So I get 10 over 5 equals 2 over x. Cross multiply, 10x equals 10. So x is just 1. Like I said. Try this. This one's a little bit different. So RQ is 4. R to P is 14. ON is 7. Find X. MN. All right, well, if this piece is 4 and that whole thing is 14, then the other piece has to be 10, right? This has to be 10. All right, 14 minus 4 gives me 10. Okay, so now I have a proportion. The 7 corresponds with the 10. The x corresponds with the 4. And I can just go for it. 7 over x equals 10 over 4. And you can cross multiply and solve here. 10x equals 28. X equals 2.8. Let's keep going. Here we go. So now we want to talk about just the corresponding parts of these similar triangles. So I'm going to do 10 and 11, and then I'll get the rest on the next one. All right, so LM, I want to, LM, our gut might tell us to go AC. Okay, but really L to M is the first 2 letters here. So since it's the first 2, remember I've said this a lot, that order matters. Order which the letters appear matter. Well, if L to M are our first 2, then LM must correspond with AB. Okay, keeping that same idea. A to C, 1, 3. L to N, 1 to 3. And then NM, 2 and 3, correspond with B, C. Okay. Now it says the measure of angle L is 92. The measure of angle M is 32. Find the measure of angle C. Well, it probably tells me that because C corresponds with N. And M corresponds with angle B and A with angle L. Okay, because if you look at the orders of the letters, L is in the first position, so is A. M is in the second position, so is B. N and C are in the final position, so they have to be the same. Well, to find this third angle, I'm going to do 180 minus 92 minus 32 to get, 56. So if N is 56, then C is also 56. Okay, last one of this video. All right, we're looking at angle D. So angle D, let's look at the order of the letters. Angle D corresponds with angle A. Oh, would you look at that? I don't know what angle A is, but since I know that this is 100, this is 20, that's 120. 180 minus 120 gives me 60. So angle D must also be 60 degrees. All right. E to D. E to D, all right, corresponds with A to C. So E to D, I'm going to call, hold on, I confused myself there. So E to D, I'm going to call X. All right, and EF I'll call Y. So ED is X, AC is 11. So I know that 11 over X go together. All right, based on the order of the letters. But I also know that AB, which is 3, corresponds with DF, which is 2. And I just cross multiply and solve. 3x equals 22. So x equals 7.3. Repeating or 7.33 is fine. All right, let's find y. So I'll solve for y in red here. Okay, so y corresponds with 9. So I can say 3 over 2 equals 9 over y. Cross multiply, 3y equals 18. Y equals 6. There you go. I'll get the rest on the next video.